Ola Electric, Inox Wind, Jindal Stainless, GMDC, NBCC among stocks in focus next week. Here's why. Hindustan Aeronautics HAL, Coal India, Bharat Forge, Torrent Power, Bharat Forge, ONGC, Power Finance Corporation Ltd PFC and IRCTC are among stocks which would turn ex-dates for corporate actions next week. Here are a few stocks that are likely to be in focus next week. Corporate actions: Hindustan Aeronautics HAL, Coal India, Bharat Forge, Torrent Power, Bharat Forge, ONGC, Power Finance Corporation Ltd PFC and Indian Railway Catering, and Tourism Corporation IRCTC are among stocks which would turn ex-dates for corporate actions next week, BSE data showed. Ola Electric Mobility, the electric vehicle manufacturer, reported a consolidated net loss of Rs 487 crore for the third quarter of FY26, compared with a loss of Rs 564 crore in the corresponding period last year. Jindal Stainless, the company has partnered with Indian Railways to engineer the country's first corrosion-resistant stainless steel salt container. Inox Wind, the company reported net profit of Rs 117.39 crore in Q3 FY26 compared to Rs 116.65 crore in the same period last year. GMR Airports, the company posted a 54.4% year-on-year drop in its net profit for the third quarter of FY26. The company's profit stood at Rs 122 crore for the quarter, lower than Rs 267 crore recorded in the corresponding period last year. IDFC First Bank, the bank has approved the allotment of 14,47,385 equity shares to eligible employees under its Employee Stock Option Scheme ESOS. This lifts the bank's paid-up equity share capital to Rs 8,599.19 crore. Anupam Rasayan India, the company on Saturday reported an 11.6% year-on-year increase in net profit at Rs 60.5 crore for the third quarter of FY26, up from Rs 54 crore in the same period last year. Signature Global India, the company has inked a pact to form a 50:50 joint venture with realty developer RMZ to construct a massive mixed-use project on Gurugram's Southern Peripheral Road SPR. The deal will see RMZ infusing Rs 1,283 crore to acquire a 50% stake in Indiana the Special Purpose Vehicle, Gurugram Commercity Ltd, for the development of 3.94 million square feet of office, retail, and hospitality spaces. Fortis Healthcare, the hospital major, reported a 21.8% year-on-year drop in its consolidated net profit for the third quarter of FY26. Profit for the quarter stood at Rs 193.7 crore, compared with Rs 248 crore in the corresponding period last year. Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation, GMDC, posted a consolidated net profit of Rs 133 crore for the third quarter of FY26, marking a 10% year-on-year decline compared with Rs 147.7 crore reported in the corresponding quarter last fiscal. NBCC, the company reported a consolidated net profit rising 39.3% year-on-year to Rs 193 crore in the third quarter of FY26, up from Rs 138.5 crore in the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.